Hello my beauty queens, come with me, let me show you how I was able to achieve this beautiful Ankara gele. So I'm using 2 yards of Ankara, yes, 2 yards of Ankara. So I fold it from the parts measuring 2 yards, which is I fold it into two, which is the longer part, the 2 yards part, 72 inch. I fold it into two. So I make some plating, arrange some plating, few plating. But if you don't want to make some plating, it's optional. It will still give you the same thing. So I just arrange some plating. Then I place it on my head equal with the 50 division equally. The two parts equal. So I place it on my head and I cross it at the back. I did secure it with the tie. I just cross it at the back. So if this is your first time of seeing my video, don't forget to like, subscribe for more beautiful Ankara gele. This one is very easy to achieve. You don't need to stress yourself, spend time or looking for someone that will help you to tie your Ankara gele when you can do it by yourself. So if you keep practicing, you are going to achieve it. So let's go back to our tutorial. So after I cross it at the back, I just twist it together, just twist it like that. Then I bring it forward at the front, which is the front of my head. I hold it together. Then I use my rubber band. Yes, I use a rubber band to hold it together, hold it to side together with my rubber band. So if you are using your rubber band, make sure you tight it very strong, very firm. Let it be strong so that it will not fall off from your head. So after I use my rubber band to hold it together, and this is where we start to make our egele. You have to arrange it very well, but before then you have to make sure that the rubber is strong. Oh, make sure it's strong. So after I place it like that, I just turn it. Then I open the upper part, which is the part I'm going to use to form my gele. Because we twist the material, it will be a little bit like that, just like twisted together. So you have to open it and spread it very well before you continue with your gele, because if you don't do it like that, it will not come out very well. So I have to open it. Then I arrange. I don't like showing the white edge, but this white edge wanted to come outside, but all the same I managed to hide it. If you want to show it, you can show it, but it's optional. I don't like it to be showing it. So after I drag it, I spread it, I just take it to the back and I tuck it in, just tuck it in like that. I did not tie it, I just tuck it in. I also arrange the other part. After I did this other part, I also did the same thing to the other part. I make sure it's well arranged. Just drag it, spread it, open the other part too. It's two parts of Ankara we join together. So after that, I just did the same thing to the other part. Then I tuck it in at the back as well. Make sure it's well tucked so that it will not embarrass you. And I bet it will not even embarrass you because the Ankara is strong, very strong in the head. It will not fall at any time. So after that, I just tucking it at the back. Then I arrange the gele very well. The part that is remaining, which is the SS at the other part, I tuck it in at the side of the first one we arrange. So I just spread it out and I tuck it in at the side. If you want to use pin, you can use your pin to hold it as well, but I did not use pin. I just spread it out, then I tuck it in. So for this part, this is where we use one pin, this other part, because I don't want to tuck it in, so I just use my pin to pin it inside. Then we are done. Your egele is ready. So if you want to tuck in your own, you can still do it. So for the sake of this tutorial, I just left it like that with pin, and it's very, very beautiful. Look at it very well. So I'm done with it. I'm pushing it up from my face a bit, and your gele is ready. You can rock this one to any party, to any occasion. So don't forget to follow for more beautiful head wrap style that you need. Head wrap tutorial, I got it covered. So to my returning subscribers, you are amazing people. Look at it from the back. Isn't it beautiful? Even from the back, it's beautiful. My amazing subscribers, you are beautiful. You are all amazing people. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always supporting your guests. Have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.